Hey everyone, my name is Arvin and I'm from FTC Team 5795 back to the drawing board. In today's video, I'm going to cover the basics of animation in Fusion 360, a CAD software which we covered previously on our channel. Make sure to check out our other content ranging from DIY crafts to team meeting vlogs. Also, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and from there, let's begin. In order to start the animation process in Fusion 360, we must switch our workspace to Animation using the drop-down menu. From there, we must then position our object in our desired orientation, like so. In this demonstration, I'm going to animate the front intake sub-assembly in Fusion just to demonstrate the potential there is in the software. I'm going to start off by clicking on the first element until it turns blue, like so. Then I'm going to click on this icon, Transform Components, and from there, I'm going to rotate the object, like so. And click OK, like that. Next, I'm going to follow up with the next assembly and rotate it in my desired orientation, like so. And then likewise, to finish off the process, I can select this assembly, like so. And once that's over, hit OK. And as you can see, all the motions of my assembly are stored in the animation timeline. You can view your animation timeline by simply moving the cursor and observing how your assembly moves. Another key feature in this software is that you can stretch how long you want the motion to last. In this demonstration, I'm going to stretch it to 5 seconds, as shown here, so that there's more fluid motion and it looks natural in my model. Once you're done with your animation in Fusion 360, you then click on Publish, hit OK, and then you can store it as an .avi file on your computer. And yeah, that concludes our video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like and subscribe for more future content.